Oh. Respect. Ay, inspect di ay. Hala kanila. Oh, rent your face. Delivery. GoPro! Praise him. Hala. Hala ka, Brad. Hala ka, Brad. Hala ka, Brad. You see, guys, my GoPro 11. Let's open the box. Ay, chigo day. Hello! Now, ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ay, wala pa. Katril ba? Ding 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 ding. Wala na ko stick. Alright, nice. Thank you, Black Friday. Naka-avail ko sa Black Friday. This equipment for my head. I don't know what is this. Clip maybe. And this. Maybe stand. And this 2 batteries available. And the camera. I don't know how to get the camera. Long. Here it is. Here it is. Dang, dang, dang. Hey guys, bye na kayo. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful GoPro, everyone. GoPro 11. This one. Sulit talaga po. Pwede kayo magpalit nito if ma-full yung memory nyo. With 2 batteries. Oh, diba? Pag naglobat, may extra one. Wow! Eee, behind the scene. Your thumb. So you cover. Like, thank you for this wonderful gift. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay, let's update this one. And let's start a vlog. Let's start a nonsense vlog. Okay. GoPro everyone. GoPro 11 everyone. Bye!